Hello traders, in this video we are going to tell you how to use our Zee Signal indicator. After you have submitted your trading username, we will give you access to Zee Signals indicator within 24 hours. Once you get an access, you will receive a notification here, saying that you have gotten access to Zee Signals. Once you receive the notification, you will have to refresh the browser once. And then go to charts. Once you click on the chart, a screen like this will appear. Suppose I want to trade GBP US dollar, so I will choose GBP US dollar from here, and charts will load. So now, how to apply the signal indicators on this chart, so let's see. You need to click on indicators and you'll have to go on invite only script, and in this you'll have to choose Zee Signals. So you have to click once, and close this window. Allow it to 30 seconds to be applied on the chart. So now you can see the Zee Signal indicator has been applied on the chart, and the latest signal which we have is sell. In the next video you will cover how to read through the dashboard, how to check different time frame, and how to know the overall trend.